everyone, welcome to Rom.ag Mathematical YouTube channel. Today we're going to have our first lesson on decimal numbers under the subtopic addition and subtraction. So, in mathematics, the first thing that you have to do is to be able to define what you are given. So we're going to start by defining what a decimal number is. So, a decimal number is a number expressed in the decimal system, especially the base 10, right? So we're saying a number expressed in the decimal system, especially the base 10. Remember, we have different bases. We have base 2, base 3, base 4, and so on, where numbers can be expressed as in. So whenever you're dealing with decimal numbers, you need to understand what is known as an abacus. So an abacus is just what you can call a map of decimal numbers, right? It shows you where each number lies, or the unit of each number whenever the number is expressed in the decimal form. So in this case, as we are seeing here, we have the hundreds, thousands, we have the 10,000s, we have the thousands, we have the 100,000s, we have the tens, we have the units, then we have our comma. Then after the comma, on the right side, we have the 10th, we have the 100th, we have the 1000th, the 10,000th, the 100,000th. Right. So this abacus is very important in showing us where each number is lying. So in other words, you can be asked that this underlined digit, what does it represent? So you need to know if it's going to represent the 10th or it's going to represent the hundreds and so on. So this abacus is actually very important, especially later on when you're going to look at rounding off of numbers. You need to know where your number especially lies. So under decimal numbers, we are going to look at addition and subtraction today. So the first example that we're going to do is example number 1. We state that simplify 2,014 plus 36,01. So whenever you're dealing with the decimal numbers, either you're writing Cambridge or Zimseg, the first thing that you have to do is to notice the form that they are going to give you this question. Right, as you can see, remember you're not using a calculator or any electronic gadget during the exam, so you need to be able to display the given question in such a way that you can be able to simplify it easily or friendly. Right, as you can see here, I'm going to change a little bit of this format to this format, where I'm going to put the first number on top, then the second number. Right, as you can see, whenever you're dealing with the decimal numbers, you'll be able to align your units. So in this case, for it to be easy to you to really align the numbers, you need to make sure that the commas are aligned, then the number after the comma, then in an order which is actually easier for you to calculate. So let's say here we're given 2 plus this 3, there's nothing along 3, so which means there's a 0 here. 0 is aligned with this, 1 is aligned with this, 9, 4 is actually aligned with a 0. Right, so we can put a 0 there. Now we can easily add 4 plus that one, that's 4, 1 plus 9, that's 10. You write our 0 carry 1, 0 plus 0 plus the carried 1, we are going to have 1 here. Then we align our comma, 2 plus 6, that's going to be 8, then 3 plus nothing there, that's 3. So this is how you simply add numbers under decimal format. Now the next question, you can actually pause and try to do it by yourself, then you see if the answer that you are going to get and the answer that I'm going to get are the same. So as I said before, you write the first number on top, then write the second number under the first number. So in this case, you can see there's no comma, so I'm going to put a comma there so that I can easily align my numbers. I start here with my comma. I write the numbers on the left side of the comma. That's 0, 0, 9 there. Here I'm going to have a 0, then, which means there's nothing here, so I'm going to represent by 0. Remember, in mathematics, 0 is actually recorded as a placeholder. Then I underline them. I add 0 plus 9, that's 9, 0 plus 0, that's 0, 0 plus 0, that's 0, comma, 3 plus this one, that's 3, 2 plus this, there's nothing here, we have a 0. So actually, you can actually easily do it friendly when you put another number on top of another number. So now you can be able to know that 23 plus 0 comma 009 is actually equal to 23 comma 009. And another thing, take note of the way I am actually interpreting this number. It's not 23 comma like 9, it's actually 23 comma 009. Any number after the decimal, we interpret it as it is because it's representing a term. So it can't carry hundreds, it can't carry tens, so it's going to be stated as it is. Well, let's look at the next question of subtraction. We are given 36,07 minus 1,009. So as I said before, the first thing that we're going to do is to make sure that we put the other number on top of the other number, then we subtract. So on this case, I'm going to put 37 comma, sorry, there's not 37 there, that's 36,07 minus, I align my numbers here, that's 0, 0, that's 9, then I write the numbers on the left, there's 1 there, then I subtract. Right, now what you're going to do here, we're going to add a 0 here since there's nothing there, so we're going to put our 0 as a placeholder for easier subtraction. Then we subtract. So 0 minus 9, it can't, so I'm going to add a 10 here. It's going to be 10. This whole thing is going to be 10. Then I add 1 into here. There's 10 minus that one, that's 1. 7 minus 1, that's 8. 0 minus 0, that's 0. Then a comma there. 6 minus 1, that's 5. 3 minus nothing, that's 3. There you go with your answer. Now we're going to look at our example number 4, which states that simplify 32 minus 0,02. It's a little bit challenging, but let's see how we do it in an easier way. Well, the first thing, we put 32 on top, comma. The second thing, we put 0,02 under. Here I add zeros. Right, then I subtract. 0 minus 2, it can't, I add a 10 there, I add 1 into there. 10 minus this one, that's going to be an 8 there. Then 0 minus 1, it can't, I'm going to add a 10 here and a 1 into here. 10 minus 1, that's 9, I align my commas. 2 minus 1, that's 1. 3 minus 0, that's a 0. There you go. 32 minus 0,02, that's 31,98. Remember, not 31,98, as I said before. So now you can try the questions that I'm going to put next. Do it by yourself